Sony have partnered up with the robotic startup company ZMP in a joint venture that they're calling AeroSense, and together they've created this amazing aircraft drone which has the ability to take off vertically, just like that Lockheed Martin F-35 fighter featured in Die Hard 4.0. And before any of you remote control model airplane fans get excited, don't, because this aircraft will not be for the consumer market. They'll only be available to businesses for recon and surveillance purposes. So it's been said that this drone can carry up to 22 pounds and fly for 2 hours straight at speeds of up to 106 miles per hour, which means that in theory, you could send this down the shop, pick you up a 6-pack of beers and fly them straight back to you before you even put your feet up to watch the game. But something tells me that will probably never happen.
This is Microdrone. When we began on Microdrone, our aim was to create a small-size, personal drone that was affordable, durable, easy to fly, that works straight out of the box. A drone for everyone.
Whether you fly Microdrone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. There's no other drone like it.
We're ready to make Microdrone 3.0.
Microdrone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
We created a 1/3 scale hoverbike drone to test a new quad aerodynamic concept. Our drone will allow you to see and feel just how it will be to fly the full-scale hoverbike, and will help with raising the funds needed to bring the hoverbike to market. We have moved to a proven quadcopter design, and this is what our second-generation hoverbike looks like. Drones should be friendly and approachable. Our drone has ducts around the propellers that protect bystanders from the blade tips and allows us to safely operate near the vehicle. We designed a large payload bay that can be easily adapted for different uses, a real multi-purpose tool.
Unlike other multicopters, ours packs down to 1/3 of its size and be easily transported in our custom multi-use bag.
We don't think the world has seen yet just how useful drones of all shapes and sizes can actually be. The ducts come embedded with LED lights for brilliant nighttime flying. We and our large community of supporters around the world are really passionate about the idea of cheap, safe, airborne transportation.
With your help to back this project, we can continue to develop the world's first flying motorbike. With your help, we can take another small step in the evolution of flight.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground-level perspective? The AirDog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. AirDog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the AirDog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. AirDog is now in action. can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go. More advanced features like track or lap recording or specific flight modes can be configured or uploaded from a smartphone app. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, skating, surfing, snowboarding, or even filming my indie movie, AirDog is right there. It's like my personal cameraman. You don't have to worry about framing the shots or getting the right angle. AirDog has a gyro-stabilized gimbal that will do everything for you. It's never been this easy to look this good on camera.
I'm Derek. I'm passionate about drones, and I've met many people who want to fly drones but found them really hard to control. I want to help because I feel that they're missing out on the fun of aerial filming. That's why we came up with the idea of Ghost. This is a traditional remote controller. It has many switches and knobs, which can be very hard to master. One bad move and a mistake can be very expensive. Most of the drones also require assembling, but not everyone has the time or skills to do that.
Ghost comes pre-assembled and is ready to fly right out of the box. Our app makes it super easy to pilot. Simply tap, unlock, then take off, and Ghost will rise and hover. Now tap a spot on the map, and Ghost will fly there immediately. To get it back, just hit return, and Ghost will take the shortest route back to its takeoff point. Press land, and Ghost will descend and land gently. For advanced control, tap hover to make Ghost hold the current spot and enter the micro control mode. Here, you can adjust Ghost's direction, speed, camera angles, and more. Not only is Ghost user-friendly, it's designed with quality parts. And has great features and performance.
What's really cool about the Ghost, though, is its customizability with respect to both hardware and software. One project that I'm working on is mounting this RP LiDAR unit from RoboPeak on the Ghost drone, giving it the ability to sense its surroundings. With the data from the LiDAR, the Ghost will be able to detect obstacles like trees and buildings and adjust its flight path as necessary. I'm also really looking forward to developing the Ghost SDK, which includes libraries for both Java and C#. I also see some awesome integration possibilities with input devices like Leap Motion, Mayo, and my own device, Tact.
Right now, the PlexiDrone is in the final stages of getting ready for manufacturing. We believe that the PlexiDrone that our backers are going to receive is generations ahead of what our backers originally saw during the crowdfunding campaign. We have taken every opportunity to improve every element of the PlexiDrone within our means.
The original PlexiDrone was 3D printed, but it wasn't designed for manufacturing. We really went back and rethought a couple of things and thought, we're going to go back and make these changes for manufacturing. What else can we make better at the same time?
The new upgrades and features for the PlexiDrone includes our brand new landing gear.
We added dampeners at the bottom so they'll actually absorb the impact when you're landing and your camera will still be nice and safe.
We've taken a payload clip so that you can buy custom payloads from people that are developers.
They can essentially add anything that their heart desires to their drone. If you want to add an RP LiDAR, you can. If you want to add your own scanner, you can. You want to add a speaker, go for it. It's possible.
We've increased the reliability of every component, custom motors, custom propellers, custom electronics, pretty much in every element of the design. The plastics have been designed not just for functionality, but for durability. We've gotten rid of all of the hobby grade parts and made sure that only the top quality parts are here for you.
I would like to say thank you to all of our backers. Thank you for your contribution, thank you for your patience. We've gone through ridiculous lengths to make every improvement possible wherever we could.
We don't let anything go to manufacturing until it's perfect. It's redesigned, it's re-prototyped, it's re-evaluated, design changes are made until everything is absolutely perfect.
The original PlexiDrone is a starting point for where we have taken it. And I think they're going to be blown away with the results.
There's going to be a couple of surprises when you receive your PlexiDrone. There are things that we are delivering that our competitors are still not able to give to you. And by the time that you receive your PlexiDrone, you're going to have something that nobody else has.
Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we've built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly, they go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface of. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.